Okay, here we go. I'm gonna switch. This is what the set- oh, camera's not really on me. This is what the setup looks like for now. So I got this crazy webcam arm here. Camera. It's gonna be looking here at my crocheting. I was trying to decide whether I should use like my headset microphone so I can be free to move wherever, but I was also trying to decide should I just move this arm where I need it to go. If for some reason you know, you start not hearing me because I forget to talk into the microphone, then I might start using this, but I just think this is so much better quality. Like, I bought this mic for a reason, so I like to use it. I have the stream deck here, so I can switch to the scene as needed. But yeah, so when we crochet, it's actually gonna look like this. So now there's a whole bunch here that I already have a plan for what I'm gonna do today. There's not a lot of people here, but I mean, this is the first stream, and I have no followers, so yeah, so I wanted to do a little unboxing. Welcome to my first ever, not first ever, but you know, first real crochet stream. So I wanted to share this. I gotta make sure I don't put the address on camera. If you remember, as I mentioned, I met Bubs, you know, Bubs T, fellow Ness main in Smash, fellow Canadian, fellow game anime nerd, literally my twin. She lives in Edmonton, and yeah, so I met her. She also has a little side business as well. She makes little cute diorama cubes. Here's what's inside. Got a little note here. And then she has cute little stickers! So here, now I guess I'll do this. The cute little sticker! Ooh, it's shiny. Oh, damn, it's big. Let's take a looky. You can see what it looks like. We're getting there. Alright, here we go. Hold on. This is the back though. This isn't the front. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Oh, look at it. It's so nice. Oh my god. That's so cute. And what these are, hold on, let me show you. They are the Kirby, the little tiny mini Kirby that I made. So I actually ended up making a pattern. This was my first pattern ever that I released. And it makes a few decent sales. No one's ever written a review, so I don't know if the pattern is even good, but I'm going through it now so that I can see if I made any mistakes and maybe recreate it or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this little tiny Kirby. I already cut out a whole bunch of little eyes for it because this part, cutting out the felt, is the most annoying part. So when I came back from Japan, I feel like I forgot how to crochet. I was struggling. Go. These are his stubby little arms here. Gotta try not to hit the webcam arm. What? Here we go. Maybe like this. This is the worst part of crocheting. Like, it's like agreed upon by all crocheters that the part where you have to sew the limbs onto the bodies is the worst part. It's okay, I believe. Is that it? I feel like it doesn't... I don't know. Like... I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't come off. Alright, here's the Kirby's. Let me do one last look reveal thing here. Alright, now I gotta make 4 more. Alrighty, until next time. Thanks guys, bye!